So this is the new Fifth Element Camping Gen 2 system. This just looks amazing. The craftsmanship from Fifth Element Camping is just absolutely the best. And here's the passenger cabinet. And then we also have the new bed platform. And it's pretty cool. You can just simply lift it up here. Let's try. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavier than I thought. So you just simply lift it up and you got all of the gear and storage. And then basically this part will flip up and attach onto here to create an extension of the bed platform if you want to sleep 2 people. The big changes they did is that the original Gen 1 just goes from here to here essentially, but now we have this second base platform here. So you have an extra little storage pocket there, bungee cords here, and then yeah, this goes all the way down and connects to the floor. And then you have the same thing on this side. You have the cabinet, little drawer or a little sliding drawer there, little bungee cord there. And then Miguel even has the mid-door panel there, which is pretty sweet. Absolutely beautiful. And then this comes with like a little extension table, which you can do cooking or rest your drinks or whatever on. Super, super, super cool. The e-camper up top. Super cool setup.
This is a 2003 Honda Element. I just changed the grill so it doesn't look like 03. So this is a Toyota 4Runner ladder. I picked it up in Marketplace for $60 and then I chop it because it's 3-piece. So the middle part I chop it smaller so that it's shorten it,
okay,
and then just bracket that in there. And then on the top I had 2 boxes that I use for storage, and then like I said, the 8-gallon water tank right here, and then my recovery board, and my high lip jack, and my axe, and my shovels on this side, and I got my Rotopax container on the other side right here in the molly. Yeah.
Well, What was the idea with the hammock?
Well, the hammock, I saw it in one of the van Overland that pop up on my newsfeed in Facebook. I said, well, I can do that in the Element, so I wanted to do it. So I had my friend fabricated me a bracket for it. So I had it in the front on the bumper before. So now I have it in the top too, so I can change it.
And I started thinking, oh, it'd be so cool because I cook on the tailgate. If I could have a way to organize all my cookware. So I got this rifle case, and it comes in various lengths on Amazon. And these just bought these off Amazon. Got some clips, and this has everything in it. My dishes, spices, cookware, cutting board, fancy chef's knife, stove, everything. My propane.
Wow.
So it works great. And the only modification I did was I put a piece of rigid conduit because the case is soft.
Okay.
But you can't see it because I inserted it into the lining.
Yeah.
And then I just melted a couple of holes in the nylon.
Oh.
And then I got this stove, which is really pretty nice.
I mean, you could probably also get it for $10.
You know, step up from a backpack stove. Propane's right in here. I can carry 2 propane bottles.
Oh man, that is very, very, very
So
cool.
I'm very proud of myself. I'm contributing to the community.
I love it. That interior is so clean. Wow. You guys enjoy? Yeah. Steering wheel is really cool. I like it.
Yeah,
I like the old Honda logo.
pretty vintage.
Yeah. You got the roll-up windows. That's a classic.
And I keep forgetting that when you do the turn signal, it doesn't retract itself.
Yeah, you had to like
You
do
have
it
to
manually.
So I gotta do it here.
It's 5-speed probably. Yeah. No. Can I ride with you guys?